Hey guys, Stock Sniper Mike back again with the 2-minute drill. Here to give you guys 2 minutes of one crazy week of trading. Took the 2-minute drill in another atmosphere today, brought it outside in the beautiful summer of Florida. Too nice of a day down here not to be outside. The overall market showed life this week as pharmaceutical drug Moderna, mRNA, showed promising results in curing 45 out of 45 coronavirus-related cases. That's 100% efficiency. And the stock price reacted, making new all-time highs up into the 90s. The Dow also reacted to the news, starting the week at 26,075 and getting a nice push on Tuesday and Wednesday from the results of Moderna, almost jumping 1,000 points, jumping into the $27,000 area for the first time in a while, but ending the week back down at 26,671. It seems like finding a cure is going to be the golden ticket to making these stocks come back to all-time highs like they were back in March. And in Sniperville, we kept the bags coming. We went for our 25th straight green week. Yes, you heard that correctly. 25 straight green weeks now. That's 4 months since this coronavirus pandemic started back in March. Last week was a slower one, only making $200. But you always have to stick to the plan and keep it going. Because look what happened this week. It ended up being one of our best weeks trading ever. We made $2,885 going 6 for 7, 85% on our trades this week. And it all started early Monday morning. It started with 3 OTC stocks that we bought late Friday power hour and held them over the weekend for Money Monday bag. The first 2 bags were OTC cannabis stocks and the last one was an OTC penny stock. The first one was our personal favorite because it's a local dispensary down the street from the Sniper headquarters. On Friday, during last week's 2-minute drill, we went over how 7/10 was a special cannabis holiday that was created. So we jumped on that wagon and bought 2 OTC cannabis stocks. But we didn't just buy them because of the hype of 7/10. We also noticed that these 2 stocks were breaking out of 52-week highs, an area we like a lot. The first one is our personal favorite because it's a local dispensary down the street from the Sniper's headquarters. This is Trulieve, OTC cannabis stock TCNNF. We decided to buy the stock as it was breaking 52-week highs on Friday at $14, looking for an overnight push. And it got one to end the day, closing at $14.50. The next one was OTC cannabis stock GTBIF. And this one as well was breaking 52-week highs. So we bought it at that area at $11.21, looking to hold overnight for a morning push. And the last one was an OTC penny stock, HYSR. And we liked the fact that this was creating a first green day and changing momentums. So we bought the stock at 0.4 and then instantly got a nice 15% push up to the 0.47 area where it closed on Friday. So we had a nice cushion going overnight into Monday. So now let's start with the sells. The first one was OTC cannabis stock Trulieve, TCNNF. And it opened up on Monday. So we gave it some time and let it push and ended up selling at $15.86 for 13% on our money and our first $920 bag of the week. The next OTC 52-week breakout didn't push as much as Trulieve, but still got a push. And we sold it the next day from $11.21 to $11.66 for only 4%, but still $300 plus on our money. And the last one, HYSR, got a nice gap up where we sold half of the stocks at 0.48, making 20%. Thinking it would push more, but it faded throughout that morning and came all the way back down to our 4 entry spot where we sold the other half. So making $280 on 10% with the average of a 4.4 exit there on HYSR, making a total of $1,510 to start Money Monday before 11 o'clock. That is the best way to set yourself up for success and for a new positive green week. And Tuesday, we did not slow down as the $1,500 bag amped us up and we wanted more. We found one of our old friends, a former stock we made money off of, OTC penny stock HDII, as it was creating first green day like HYSR. We decided to buy the stock as it was breaking higher day during power hour, our favorite time of the day to buy. We bought at 1.4 and the stock instantly jumped up, getting a 2-minute 15% plus jump. And when you get that quick, you usually want to secure the bag. We sold half of our bag there at 168, securing $400 plus in only 5 minutes. And we held the other half overnight looking for a gap up. We also kept the momentum going with these OTC cannabis stocks in the 7/10 holiday that just passed. We found another dispensary, this one located in Las Vegas. This one is the biggest dispensary in the world. OTC penny stock, PLNHF. Planet 13 dispensary. This one was breaking out of 1 month highs and coming up to that multi-month 6-month high area. So we liked the way that it was making that first green day and moving up towards that 6-month high. So we bought the stock at the way end of the day at $1.80, using only $1.75 as cut and looking forward to make that morning push. And on Wednesday, we got the push in both. It started with a big bag in HDII as the gap up moved up slightly but didn't get the biggest push, so we sold instantly at the bell for another penny at 178, making a total of 22% and another $920 bag in 2 days. We also had Planet 13 still, and it got a nice push to start the day, but this was a slower mover, so we only sold half there at $1.95, looking forward to breaking to the $2 area with the other half. And now with 5 straight wins, why would we put the sniper down? We kept going. We found another OTC first green day penny stock, SPOM. And we liked the way that I was holding that 1.6 area all day and pushing back towards high day during power hour. So we bought it around 174 area, looking forward to gap up the next day. And not everything is gonna work out in your favor, because on Thursday, SPOM ended up gapping down. And if you stick to the plan, you don't have to stress all of this gap down and holding and hoping. So we got out instantly, selling at 16 and losing about 8% on our money and $375. But it's okay, because if you stick to the plan and keep shooting, you'll always make up for your losses. Because later that day, the Planet 13 push that we were looking for in the 2s happened, and we sold our other half of the Planet 13 shares at $2.09, making a total of 10% and $422 on Planet 13, canceling out the SPOM law. And later that day, we found another OTC first green day, creating TOMDF. We liked the way that it was holding 1-2 all day and hanging with a tight trading range. So we decided to buy it as it broke high day at that 1-3 area, using 1-2 as cut and looking for an overnight push. And on Friday, TOMDF got a small gap up and got what we were looking for. So we sold it right away in the morning, making 10% on our, so we sold it right away at the morning at 1,437, making 10% on our money and another $322 to add to our profit bag, making a total of $2,885 in 1 week of trading. Back when we first started and when our account was at $500, we did not think anything like this was possible, but sticking to the small goals and sticking to the sniper plan proves that it will work out in the long run if you just keep adding the wins. And later that day on Friday, we are already setting ourselves up for success to start the next week. We found an OTC penny stock breaking 52-week highs, MDRPF. We liked the way that it broke 68 52-week highs and held that spot throughout power hour, so we bought it at the 70-cent area. It was changing momentums back to higher day, and it actually got that push, breaking new 52-week highs and closing at 76, giving us a 9% cushion going over the weekend. Now on Monday, we are going to be looking for another 10% and to sell it into the gap up and to start another Money Monday with the profit bag and in the green. That's exactly how you want to set yourself up for success and for another green week. I'm excited to see how the market continues to react and the more vaccine news that comes out with the coronavirus still lingering around. It seems like that's going to be the next big move when we find a real permanent cure for this virus. But we're not going to sit around and hold and hope. The snipers will always be prepared with a plan. So meet me here next week at the same time to find out what happened with MDRPF and the rest of the week. If you don't follow us on social media, make sure to check us out on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and StockTwits. We got tons of great content coming out daily. Also, if you would like to see every single one of our trades, wins, losses, all our stats, you can check that out at Profitly, profit.ly. Our whole journey is on there, starting from that $500 area, all the way now crossing 116,000. Check the whole journey out there under Stock Sniper. And if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, make sure to subscribe below. Hit that subscribe button. I do this every Sunday. Stock Sniper Nick comes out with a watch list video every Tuesday describing our watch list for the night. And Stock Sniper Alex comes out with daily tips that'll help you every day in the stock market. And last but not least, if you are not part of the team, we would love to have you on the team. You could be making bags just like us. Anybody can do it. Trust us, trust in yourself. Check us out at www.thestocksnipers.com. We got some great stuff coming soon, so make sure to jump on the wagon now before it's too late. Alright guys, another great week in the books. Meet me back here, same time, next week. Stock Sniper Mike, out!